Right. We got Erin here with me today. Erin, thank you so much for being here with me to take part and just, expressing to me or telling me more about what was your fantastic win where you got the system ready, the COA system is ready, launched, and you start getting leads in immediately. Like, just tell me, that whole experience, that win, just, yeah, tell me more about that.
Oh my God, Kevin, I love this so much. So I'm Erin Lay as a life coach and business strategist for the last 30 years. I'm 56. I've done everything I could think of regarding marketing. And I came across this system and it took all the confusion out of Facebook ads, which I never really understood. I've run them with no luck. And all of a sudden, COA came in and, into my sphere, into my world, into my realm, and changed my life completely. Because now I just have leads coming to me as opposed to me finding out, where to go for leads. And it just opened up so many more doors for my business and my life, personally and professionally. My whole brand is Life on Track, personally and professionally. You can't have one without the other and have a successful life. And COA and you, Kevin, has helped me really get my life on track again. So I appreciate you.
That's fantastic, fantastic. And before joining COA, you went into it a bit, but just, what was that like before joining COA then?
Oh, it was a lot of single mom here, a lot of growing my business on referrals and just pumping out content on social media. Again, I'm
Mm.
56. I wasn't raised with social media, and knowing how to pump content on social media. So it's been a lot of, like the last 9 years, a lot of because again, I've been coaching to make the world a better place. And I had a radio show to make the world a better place, wrote 5,000 books to make the world a better place. Now I'm a full-on businesswoman, a CEO of my
Mm.
life, personally and professionally, of my family and my business. And so growing it prior to you and prior to COA and Ed, it was just a struggle. I was the burned out mompreneur. I was literally like up all night, like writing and doing things just to get leads, constantly looking to try to find leads and get referrals and credibility, which a friend of mine was like, give more credibility than Oprah. Like, stop trying to get credibility. And I'm like, but I need the leads. You need the leads. And COA just gave me like this little shift in mindset, a little pivot in my business, and it opened up a whole new world that I never knew existed. So that's it. And I
Great.
appreciate it like you have no idea.
Great, great. And for yourself then, what have you enjoyed most about COA? Some people say that, we're working with artists because it's they enjoy the process the most. So it's the main program or, building out the system with, easy step by step modules. Or was it maybe the support where, that we're here for you every single step of the way, answer questions, whether in the group, on the live calls, or maybe it's the assets themselves. So, the funnels, the templates, the closer process, ad scripts, etc. You tell me, what did you like best? What did you enjoy the most?
Honestly, it's the support. Closing, thank God, when I did get a lead, even if it was a random one from the other side of the universe, I was always good over the phone, always good at closing. But it was really learning how to just have the leads come to me. And as a woman, we're receptive, right? You just want things to come to you, want it to be more of a pull than a push. And the system made that so much easier. So it wasn't like cortisol flying anymore. And the support system is what I love the most. Because when you have somebody there, when I hit a wall, just point me right or left, just point my
Mm.
feet in the right direction and I'll keep going. I'm not going to quit. It's the direction and the support that I absolutely, I've never seen anything like it 24/7. I know you're in, I believe, London. Are you in London?
Yes, yes, I'm in
I'm
London
in
myself.
America. I don't know if you sleep, Kevin. Like everybody's just always,
I'm a robot. I just nothing.
God bless you. It's absolutely amazing. It's really what you guys put together, what Ed conceived and put together, and what you guys came together as a team to do is working globally. And that's a testament, not just from me, but like, my God, what you guys provide. I've never seen, again, 56 years old. I've done a lot in my life and I've never seen a support system that's literally there and responding quickly. Like the way I respond to people quickly, because that's what I like. I like getting answers right away. And it's rare when you find something like that and you do that, you provide that. So thank you. That's my favorite part. I love all of it. I love the templates and I love the contracts and everything that's provided there. It makes life so much easier and saves a lot of time and a lot of money.
Mm.
But for me personally and professionally, the support is what I just absolutely love the most.
Great, great, fantastic to hear that. And so, for you then, what would you tell someone who was thinking about joining COA?
I would say don't walk, run to you guys. I mean, literally, I mean, it's a small investment when the return in perspective, you know,
Mm.
when the return is instantly tenfold. I mean, I created an asset within 5 seconds. You know, that part was the easy part for me. Get me to write something. But within literally the first day, you know, of just going through the modules, I had a new asset that's priceless. You know, that I can repurpose all over the place. And again, getting the Facebook ads up and running is just what a what a win for me. I'm so tech challenged. It was
Yeah.
big. It was big.
Yeah, incredible, incredible. So look, yeah, no, it's been an incredible journey, you know, and for yourself, look, let me just say, you know, you're great. You're putting in the work. You got the system up and running, getting leads through. So look, thank you so much, Erin, for being here with us today. And honestly, I'm super pumped and excited to see, you know, the rest of the journey on actually now, you know, properly leveraging that system for yourself, right? So those are the next steps that we're going to be moving on through now. So yeah, look, you're doing great. Let's keep it rolling, and I'm super excited for the rest of the results to come.
Thank you, Kevin. Thank you. I
Thank you.
appreciate you. Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.